Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up a new freshwater aquarium. We will be scaping the tank, I will tell you how to do it, and we will make this tank look awesome.
So first we are going to clean the surface. We get all the dust and sand off of the shelf. Then we get a piece of foam. You need a piece of foam to balance the water pressure. If you don't do that, your tank might explode because, for example, the pressure on the front glass is much higher than the pressure on the back, and you don't want your tank to explode because it makes a huge mess. Now we position the aquarium, make sure it is completely on the foam. There we go. So now we are going to add the substrate. You can just use regular sand or something colorful, whatever you want. I choose for this sand because I really like it. It looks natural. You can clean the sand before adding it to an aquarium because there might be some dust on the sand. Then we are going to position the sand. There we go, that's ready. So now we can go and scape the tank. First we will scape with wood and stones. So let's put them in the tank. You can just buy them at your local fish store, or you can go rock hunting. I want to place the wood and the stones in that corner. So I made sure there's enough sand right there to put the wood in. Let's put the stone behind the wood. Just like that. So there we go, the hardscape is done. Now we can add the filter. I'm just using a sponge filter, but you can also use a canister filter or a hang-on-back filter. It's whatever you want. And these sponge filters are really easy to use and really easy to clean. That's why I choose them. Adding the suction holders right now. And I ruined the hardscape. Well, we will reposition that. Now we can add a heater to the tank. And then we can start adding some water to the tank. You can just use some tap water or aquarium water if you already have an aquarium. But tap water will do also. Make sure you add some water conditioner to the tank to get all the chemicals and other bad stuff that your fish don't like out of there. I normally use JBL Biotopal. And now we can go and prepare the plants. So we take this yellow stuff off because it's really bad for the fish. It's toxic. And then we select the plant. Because as you can see, we have many different pieces. So that's that. Done all the plants. Now we can start adding the plants to the tank. I want this plant right here behind the stones and in front of the filter and the heater. I want this small plant before. I really like this look. You can do whatever you want with the plants, as long as you think it looks good. Now let's take the leaves that came off of the plants out of here. And now I'm going to put some root tabs in the tank. It helps with the plants. They will grow faster and they will look healthier. But it's not necessary. And as you can see, I also added some salvinia to the tank. Those floating plants. They look really awesome. I want the whole surface covered by this salvinia. So yeah, this is the tank. This is how you scape and set up a freshwater aquarium. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. Like this video, and I hope you set up more tanks. You can click here to watch my latest video. You can click here to watch a related video, and you can click here to subscribe to the channel.